Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5055E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 520M quick attach front loader. Tractor has right around 250 on the hour, so very low hour machine. And it does come with the balance of the factory warranty as well. So very nice, very clean tractor. Excuse me, again does come with a 520M loader. Global style hookup for your bucket connection. Does have the heavy duty front bucket on it. Also has a front grill guard on it. Front radial tires. Very nice, very clean tractor, as you can see. Does have the extendable 3-point arms. Drawbar and top link are both on the tractor. Rear hydraulic outlet back here. Rear work light. Has the foldable rollover bar. Speed transmission, has 3 ranges here to the left of the seat, 4 gears over there to the right, gives you a total of 12 speeds, and then your power reverser here on the steering column allows you to change direction without clutching. All your 3-point PTO hydraulic control is also located to the right there. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.